Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm going to try 15-step Korean skincare routine. It sounds extensive, but most Korean women use 8 to 10 step Korean routine every day. For the first step, I'm going to use Clinique Take Off the Balm to remove my makeup completely. So after taking the balm on my face, I will just start massaging all over around my face and see how easily it melts out the makeup. It transforms from a solid balm into silky oil upon application. Cotton pad and remove all the balm from my face and see how easily it takes off my makeup. Before sleeping, you must remove your makeup. For the second step, I'm going to use Garnier Micellar Water and I will apply with the help of cotton pad and I will remove every single pinch of makeup from my face because it is really important. You have to clear your skin and see how dirty still my. For the third step, I'm going to use Neutrogena Gentle Cleanser so that my face will completely clean. And this step is very important. And here I'm using the double cleansing method. And with the help of this tool, I will make sure that my face will completely clean. It also helps to remove the dead skin from the face. Here I'm using Luxury Facial Flannel. It is extra soft flannel with your favorite skin face wash to gently cleanse your skin. It also enhances cleansing softly and gently, and it also helps to remove makeup from your face. Again, I'm using Garnier Micellar Water so that I will make sure not any single pinch of makeup left on my skin or any dust left on my skin, and see my face is cleansed properly. For the fourth step, I'm using exfoliator and here I'm using Neutrogena Gentle Exfoliator for my skin. And after your cleanse, it can be tempting to want your skin scrap off every last bit of dirt and dead skin nightly. Imagine you can start anew with a fresh layer each day, but that's not a great idea. Every day is just too much. You can exfoliate your skin twice a week. For the fourth step, I'm using L'Oreal Exfoliate and Refine Pore. It addresses rough skin and deep clogged pore on face to reveal a polished, pore minimized and smooth complexion. Immediately skin texture appears refined and smooth. Pores are visibly minimized. Facial pore cleanse remove dead skin, dirt and oil from skin. And I'm using Body Shop flannel sheet and see how easily remove the mask from my face, and it also jump free. For the step number 6, I'm using the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. Use idly in the PM, no more frequently than once per day. After cleaning, saturate a cotton pad with the formula and sweep across face and neck. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes. For the step number 7, I'm using Mario Batescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. It's refreshing, hydrating mist for all skin types. It lightly refreshes skin while it's boosting hydration. Here I'm using the Jade Roller. The gentle pressure helps to stimulate circulation and leave the facial muscles more relaxed. By drawing away toxin, this allows a gentle toning and lifting effect on your face. For the step number 8, here I'm using L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Genius Essence. This Genius cream from L'Oreal Paris comes with 3-in-1 power to bring hydration, nourishment and water locking efficiencies with French mountain water. Provide 24-hour intensive hydration, deep nourishment and water locking. Unveils a smooth and more radiant complexion. One bottle captures 3 hydration efficiency. For the step number 9, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Grapeseed Hydrating Masking Double Essence. It helps in revitalizing and hydrating the skin, giving your skin a fresh dewy finish. For the step number 10, I'm using serum Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2%. It helps to hydrate and offer visible plumping and moisture retention so that skin looks smoother, softer and healthier. For the eyes, I'm using Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5%. This serum works hard to brighten dark circles and reduce the appearance of puffiness. Caffeine constricts blood vessels to reduce discoloration and swelling. For the step number 11, I'm using the Face Shop Pomegranate Sheet Mask. Sheet masks are great for soothing if the skin is sensitive or inflamed from a procedure or even a sunburn. Sheet masks also tend to be more hydrating as it allows the moisturizer to be disturbed and absorbed directly on the area via paper. Here I'm using jade roller so the serum get absorbed properly in the skin. See how my skin looks so hydrating. With the help of hands, I'm start massaging my face and absorb my serum all over my skin. For the step number 12, here I'm using Veleda Skin Food as my moisturizer. Veleda Skin Food can be used as nourishing day and night cream. It is good for rough, dry skin anywhere on the body, face, hands, elbows, knees, etc. It can be used as a protective cream in harsh weather and excellent for anyone regularly out for the step number 13, I am using Innisfree Orchid Eye Cream. During your skincare routine, use a finger to apply a small amount of eye cream around your eyes. Gently pat it on your skin for the best absorption. Preferably apply it after toner, serum or essence. For the step number 14, I'm using La Shield Sunscreen Gel SPF 40. It helps prevent inflammation and sunburn. It is exceptionally transparent when applied and doesn't leave any white cast. For the last step 15, I'm using Bird Bees Natural Lip Balm. It helps your skin nourish and make your lip feel luxurious. After my skincare, I'm using this Body Works 1000 Wishes moisturizer to moisturize my arms and before sleeping, I always apply moisturizer. When I forget my hands, I'm using Face Shop Rose hand cream for moisturizing my hands. This is my 15-step Korean skin routine I tried, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe, like if you didn't like it yet, and comment what you see next.